As I mentioned earlier on, part of this unit is to analyse two idents that appeal to similar target audiences as the ident we're looking to create. Earlier on I done an MTV ident. Now I'm doing a E4 ident. And as I done with the MTV ident, I just generally watched the current ident. The ident was titled the Beach Hut ident. And as I done with the MTV ident, I just generally done a spider diagram in which I dropped ideas down of what I thought and also what was evident and the codes and conventions of the actual ident. I think one thing that that's clear and evident from the start was the sound used in the ident. In my opinion, the sound is a happy sound. It's not really exciting, but really happy and enjoyable sound. Therefore, I think it reiterates the atmosphere that the channel's trying to give off. It's trying to give off a happy atmosphere rather than a sad one. Also, something I noticed whilst watching the ident a number of times, which is quite evident in my opinion, is that the channel, through its ident, may be trying to say that it's morally appeals or aimed at females rather than males. This is because there are a lot of stereotypical female aspects in the ident. For example, you have like the ident showcases a range of different flowers, and stereotypically this appeals to more females rather than males. But also during the ident, the viewers also see hairdresser chairs with dryers on top of them. Again, males don't really go to the hairdressers, so therefore that's generally intended to appeal to females rather than males, because males don't really go to hairdressers, whereas females do, and they use that type of equipment at hairdressers. I think something key, in my opinion, about this ident is the colours used. There are 3 different colours used in this ident. There is purple, yellow and cream. I think it appeals to both genders, however morally to females rather than males, which is evident through cream and yellow are morally feminist colours, in my opinion, or colours that appeal morally to females rather than males, and whereas yellow is more of a neutral, purple is more of a neutral colour, so therefore that can appeal to males and females. So yeah, I think it does appeal to both. However, I think the ident is generally intended to appeal to more females rather than males through the colours used, but just through the colours used. Something that I think is particularly good about this ident, something I really like, is that throughout the ident, the viewers are constantly reminded that you are watching the E4 ident through how many times they promote the logo, how many times you're reminded through different things that you're watching the E4 ident, unlike the MTV ident, in which you realise you're watching the MTV ident at the end when the MTV logo comes in, whereas throughout the E4 ident, you're constantly reminded that you're watching the E4 ident, which in my opinion is key, because it just reiterates the point that you're watching the E4 ident, and viewers would know that they're watching the E4 ident and hopefully watch the channel. I think something else that makes the channel possibly appeal to its target audience of young people could be the range of different animations going on. Again, I don't think someone who's 50 would really enjoy watching a lot of different animations of different animated things moving about. And whereas someone of my age will find it interesting and appealing, even if it moves about just a little bit, there's a lot of movement going on. There's still movement going on, and in this ident there is a lot of movement going on, which again appeals to its target audience, thus making it exciting and appealing and attractive, in my opinion. I think the beach atmosphere shown in this ident reiterates the happy atmosphere. I think everything in the beach atmosphere, in the ident, it seems to be excited or happy, and it reiterates the idea that this is an enjoyable, excitable channel. channel. And again, this would appeal to its young target audience, in my opinion, through what is shown. So happiness, I think you get the vibe of this channel being a happy channel. I think you get the vibe of it being a interesting and exciting channel because a lot of different things are going on, and this is reiterated through what's going on and the atmosphere you get whilst watching the ident. The screen tempo of the beach ident, in my opinion, is again like the MTV ident, fast, and there's a lot going on. I think it's again intended to appeal to a young demographics because of the fact that it's fast, it's exciting, whereas something like a BBC Two ident wouldn't be this fast because again it's not really intended for a young audience, whereas E4 is, so it will be fast and exciting and much more fun to watch. I think also that the ident includes a lot of different exciting animations, which I have mentioned, but I just feel the need to reiterate that because of this, it generally attracts people because animations and different things like that generally appeal to people to people of my age group and young people because of the fact that it's just different and it's exciting and it's interesting. For example, if you look at a TV show, like Family Guy, that has a large following of young people because it's different, even though it's animated, it's still different and exciting and fun, which is what you get when you watch this particular ident. You get that idea of it being exciting, fun, and just very intriguing. Thank you.